Welcome to our YouTube channel. Food label claims aren't just about marketing. Food label claims are statements or declarations made on food packaging to inform consumers about specific attributes or qualities of the product. These claims are regulated and must meet certain criteria set by food regulatory bodies to ensure accuracy and prevent misleading information. They play a crucial role in helping consumers make informed choices about the foods they buy. In this video, we will explore how food label claims are intertwined with food safety, health, and a variety of food claims and their meaning. Food labels serve not only as attractive sales pitches but as guardians of food safety. Understanding how label claims align with safety standards is crucial, ensuring that the foods we consume not only offer nutritional value but are also safe for consumption. Adding proper claims to food labels is crucial for several reasons. Proper claims provide essential information to consumers, helping them make informed decisions about their food choices. Whether it's about allergens, nutritional content, or ethical considerations, accurate claims assist consumers in selecting products that align with their dietary needs and values. Accurate claims ensure the safety and health of consumers. Claims like gluten-free or dairy-free are crucial for individuals with specific dietary restrictions or allergies. Misleading claims can pose health risks to vulnerable populations, emphasizing the importance of accuracy. Proper claims build trust between consumers and food manufacturers. When labels accurately reflect what's in the product, it establishes transparency, fostering trust in the brand's integrity and commitment to consumer well-being. Adding accurate claims ensures compliance with regulatory standards. Food labeling regulations set by authorities require claims to be substantiated and truthful. Companies must adhere to these guidelines to avoid legal issues and maintain market credibility. Claims like organic, sustainably sourced, or fair trade cater to ethical and environmental considerations. Accurate claims in these categories support responsible consumption and ethical sourcing practices. While accurate claims ensure compliance and safety, they also serve as effective marketing tools. Authentic claims highlighting positive attributes can attract consumers seeking specific nutritional benefits or ethical standards. Overall, proper claims on food labels are not just about informing consumers. They're a commitment to health, safety, transparency, and ethical practices. They play a vital role in shaping consumer choices and ensuring that the products meet both regulatory standards and consumer expectations. The nexus between food label claims and safety is fundamental. Claims such as antibiotic-free, organic, or non-GMO directly dictate the safety and quality of the food we consume. They signify adherence to specific standards that assure healthier, safer products for consumers. By understanding and scrutinizing these labels, viewers can safeguard themselves against potential health risks and make choices that prioritize both health and safety. Food labels offer a variety of claims, each providing a unique insight into the characteristics and qualities of the product. These claims act as beacons, guiding consumers towards informed choices by offering valuable information about the food's composition, sourcing methods, and potential health implications. Diving into the world of food label claims reveals a tapestry of information. From nutrient content claims that highlight specific nutritional aspects to health claims linking components to disease prevention, the labels offer a wealth of knowledge to those who can decipher them. Here is a variety of claims that can be added to the labels. Nutrient content claims. These signify the nutrient levels in a product. Examples include low fat, high fiber, sugar-free, or reduced sodium. They inform consumers about specific nutritional aspects of the food. Health claims. These statements link a nutrient or food component to a reduced risk of a disease or health condition. For instance, calcium may reduce the risk of osteoporosis, or fiber may reduce the risk of heart disease. Structure or function claims. These highlight how a nutrient or dietary ingredient affects the normal structure or function of the body. For instance, claims like supports a healthy immune system or aids digestion fall into this category. Organic claims signifies that the product was produced without synthetic pesticides, hormones, or antibiotics. Products labeled organic must comply with strict standards set by regulatory bodies like the United States Department of Agriculture. Kosher claims indicates compliance with Jewish dietary laws and adherence to specific food preparation and processing standards. Halal indicates adherence to Islamic dietary laws and certifies that the food is permissible under Islamic law. Vegan signifies that the product contains no animal-derived ingredients and is not tested on animals. Vegetarian indicates the absence of meat or animal slaughter byproducts, though it might still contain dairy or eggs. Gluten-free denotes the absence of gluten, a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye, making it suitable for individuals with gluten-related disorders. Non-GMO indicates the absence of genetically modified organisms in the product. Natural implies that the food has no artificial ingredients, added colors, or flavors, and is minimally processed. Allergen claims identifies the presence or absence of common allergens like peanuts, soy, dairy, among others, crucial for individuals with allergies. For more information about allergens, check out our videos listed in the description. Ethical claims, such as fair trade, cruelty-free, or sustainably sourced, highlighting ethical production or sourcing practices. No added preservatives indicates the absence of additional substances to prolong shelf life. Grass-fed denotes animals were primarily fed grass or forage. Free-range or pasture-raised indicates animals had access to outdoors or open pasture areas. Low glycemic implies minimal impact on blood sugar levels, suitable for individuals managing blood sugar. Artisanal or handcrafted suggests traditional crafting methods or small batch production. Hormone-free or no added hormones indicates no hormones were used for animal growth. No artificial sweeteners denotes the absence of synthetic sweetening agents. Low carb implies reduced carbohydrates compared to similar options. Locally sourced, ingredients sourced nearby or within a specified distance. Sustainable suggests minimal environmental impact during production. Whole grain denotes inclusion of the entire grain kernel for added health benefits. Antibiotic-free or raised without antibiotics indicates animals were not administered antibiotics. Low calorie implies relatively low calorie content. High protein signifies a significant protein content per serving. No trans fats denotes absence of unhealthy trans fats. Dairy-free indicates absence of dairy or dairy-derived ingredients. Low sodium implies reduced sodium content compared to similar products. Note that there are many other types of claims. And remember, each claim has specific criteria, standards, or certifications associated with them to ensure accuracy and compliance and prevent misleading consumers. Misleading claims on food labels can have significant repercussions. Misleading claims not only misguide consumers but can also lead to health risks, regulatory issues, and damage to a brand's reputation. Clarity and accuracy in food labeling are essential to ensure consumer trust, health, and regulatory compliance. Misleading claims can misinform consumers about the actual content of the product. For instance, if a product claims to be low-fat but contains high levels of unhealthy fats, consumers might unknowingly consume a less healthy option, potentially impacting their health. Inaccurate allergen claims can pose severe health risks to individuals with allergies. If a product incorrectly states it's allergen-free when it contains allergens, it can lead to allergic reactions and health complications. Food allergen labeling problems are the most common cause of recalls for U.S. Food and Drug Administration regulated food products. Misleading claims can confuse consumers, making it challenging to make informed choices. This confusion can erode trust in food labeling, making it harder for consumers to decipher accurate information from marketing tactics. False claims regarding sustainability, fair trade, or ethical practices can mislead consumers into supporting practices they intend to avoid. It can negatively affect ethical consumer choices and undermine efforts towards sustainability. Misleading claims can lead to legal consequences. Regulatory bodies enforce guidelines on food labeling, and misleading claims can result in fines or legal actions against food manufacturers. Continual use of misleading claims can damage a brand's reputation. Once consumers realize they've been misled, it can lead to distrust, affecting a company's credibility and market standing. Deciphering food label claims goes beyond understanding marketing tactics. It's a crucial step in safeguarding our health and ensuring food safety. These labels serve as gatekeepers, guiding us towards informed choices that impact our well-being. The relationship between food label claims and safety is pivotal. Claims like antibiotic-free, organic, or non-GMO directly influence the safety and quality of the food we consume. They signal adherence to specific standards that guarantee healthier, safer products for consumers. Certifications behind these claims, such as USDA Organic or Non-GMO Project Verified, are more than just badges. They represent a commitment to rigorous safety measures, sustainable practices, and ethical sourcing. Compliance with these requirements isn't just a choice, it's an obligation to ensure consumer safety and trust. When companies adhere to these standards, they prioritize not only the health and well-being of their consumers, but also uphold integrity and transparency in the food industry. Compliance ensures that the promises made on labels aren't just marketing strategies, but reflections of genuine efforts toward safer, healthier products. Understanding and demanding compliance with these standards empower consumers to make conscious choices that align with their safety and values. By scrutinizing labels and supporting companies that prioritize compliance, individuals contribute to a food landscape that prioritizes safety, transparency, and consumer welfare. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. Stay safe and see you in the next video.